If you are having issue on how to crop images in Microsoft Word document, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to crop an image in Microsoft Word document. Make sure to watch the video till the end. First, open the Word document. Here, we have already inserted the image into our Word document. Now, click on the image you want to crop. This will open a tab called Picture Format. In the Picture Format tab, you will see an option labeled Crop. Click on it and you'll be able to adjust the image. Use the cropping handles to resize the image as needed. You can drag the edges to cut out unwanted parts. And once you made the adjustment, click anywhere outside the image to apply the changes. And that's it. Your image is now cropped to your desired size. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.